Hello everyone, welcome to this video. In this video, we are going to see how to create a quick fix for the select list or pop-up menu. So, quick fix, if you are not aware of quick fix, you can just check out my previous video. I have made a dedicated video on how to create a quick fix either static way or dynamic way in my previous video. So, you can check out my previous video. So, quick fix is nothing but the quick suggestions. The end user can quickly select those value from the suggestions instead of selecting or typing manually. So, these are the advantage of using quick fix. That is auto suggestions we can say or quick suggestions of values. So in a select list of pop-up library, in the previous versions, we will not having this quick picks option for creating those quick suggestions in the select list of pop-up library. But in Apex 26.1 version, they have introduced this quick picks option for the select list of pop-up library, so that we can just make use of it and we can just create a quick suggestions for the end user, which will enhance the user experience. So in this video, we will see how to create the quick fix for the select list of pop-up library. So for select list of pop-up library, both the same concept. We will see either one of thing. So for that, I'm going to create one page item and I'm going to name it as department. Since we are going to create quick fix for the department, I'm going to select list. So next, under the list of values, you just select the SQL query and I'm going to give this SQL query. So this is the what is this SQL query is nothing but I'm going to display the departments. This is department name from departments. So I'm going to list down all the department names as my select list value. I'm going to save this. Next I will run this. Here I got the department. If I click on this, I will get HR, Finance, IT. These are the departments available in my table, department table. Now I will just construct a quick fix. So for that, go to this page, click on this. Under there will be a section called quick fix. Suppose if you don't want to scroll, you can just type it here. Here you will get quick fix. Here we will having two types. One is static and a SQL query. Static is nothing but you need to hard code the values. So if we click on this static, we will get a fields like a label value. We need to give like a label value. So what is thing needs to be displayed there, and what is the value when the actual end user clicked on this, what value should be popped to the select list. You need to give key value pair like a label value. So this is you need to hard code the values at the time of development, but we will see how to do this dynamic one. So this also we have just covered in the previous video on a brief note, that is like a how to generate a static quick pick and a dynamic quick pick. You can just check out my previous video as well if you want to explore this more. So now I am going to go to this SQL query, that is a dynamic one. Here also I am going to select or enter the same SQL query, like selecting this department from the department table. So here what we can do is in this department table, you can just keep one more column, that is quick pick, and you can just make it as YRN. So only some certain values you need to show as a quick pick. Then you can just mention the quick pick column value as Y. Here you can mention where quick pick type or something equal to Y. Then only those specific quick picks values will be shown. Now currently it will show all the values which is present in the table, but in your case you can just make this small change so that it will be better in your case. So I'm going to save this. Next, run this page. So here you can notice some quick values will be shown or suggestions will be shown under this item. So this is HR, Finance, IT. If I just click on this, the IT will be selected. If I click on this finance, then the finance will be selected here. And if I click on the HR value will be selected here. Suppose in your case, if you have like a n number of values, that is like a 20 or 30 values, the user need to click on this. They need to scroll one by one or something to select a particular value or a frequently accessed value. They need to select from scrolling or something. Instead of that, you can just give this as a quick pick so that a user can just click on this finance. Then the finance value will be selected. They can just proceed with this. So instead of scrolling this value, so you can give the frequently accessed or frequently used department names as this quick picks. So like this, we can just construct a quick picks in a select list or a pop-up LOB, the same approach. They have introduced this in Oracle Apex 26.1. So if you like this video, please subscribe to channel Taniga Solution and put a like to this video. Please share this video to our Apex community. If you want some other topics to be covered, please mention those topic suggestion in the description below so that we will make a dedicated video on the particular topic. Keep supporting us. Thank you.